Hello, this is Duck. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Master Grade Z'Gok. Z'Gok, whatever, how you pronounce it. So this is the manual which you get. I've already looked through the package and everything. This is usually on the bottom. Since this is a older Master Grade coming out in 2003, it comes with this lovely insert of the mobile suit, finished model kit. And we'll get into the parts. So yeah, I'm really lazy and I'm just not gonna bother with this. So there's one runner, there's the A runner, and the next runner is the E runner, and the D runner, so more inner frame, which, yeah, that's fun. And this is runner H, which is more in the frame and actually has most of the bow joints for the waist, the claws, and the polycaps. Those would be fun. More armor and some inner frame. And the rubber pieces for the actual mobile suit and more armor, and that's about it.